Introducing the 2010 Mazda 3. If you're looking for an automobile with great attributes, look no further. With a reliable engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission, let the outside in with a power convertible roof. An included Carfax Vehicle History Report allows you to purchase with confidence and the knowledge that your buy was a smart choice. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Power windows, power steering. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included. Low tire pressure warning. Call today to schedule a test drive.